Should we play that now? Brandon. Brandon. Brennan. Is it Brennan? All those names sound the same to me. Brennan. Brennan Michael. Play it now? Oh my god. Should I play it now? Guys. Should I play it now? Thoughts? Jesus. Dude, when you have more time, you only have 1 hour left. An hour? We capping early tonight? Yeah, I have to get up early. So that's why. I put a Discord message about it. But you know, doesn't exactly have to be an hour. Clock Pip! Maddie, this is coming along stunningly right now. Oh, thank you. Thank you. It's good to see you. Maybe next time? I don't know. I kind of want to do it. I just feel like my neighbors would not. It's just Dave. Amazing painting. Aw, thank you, Dave. Thank you. How are you guys? How are you guys doing? Okay. So here I put down like general values, but I kind of, his thing is like on fire. So I won't, maybe next time I won't be able to watch it. I want to play it without spoilers. Okay. I do want to play it so bad. Same. You're so good. Aw, thank you. I won't be able to watch it either. Okay, then I won't do it. This thing is on fire. Gotta go get that checked out. Probably play it tomorrow. Okay. So we're gonna have it like fade slightly yellow because his thing has like these red flames on it. But let's see. It's nice to see you too, Tommy. Yo, Clock Pip. I know you mostly from Tommy's stream. But how is everyone doing tonight? We were guessing people's middle names earlier. It was pretty poggies. And then like I said, it kind of sucks. I am moving furniture tomorrow. But like I said, I'm making it up. We're going to be streaming on Saturday, even though I normally don't stream Saturday nights. And we're gonna be doing a fundraiser stream for the Roosters. Yes, have fun tomorrow. Lift with your legs. Ugh. And mostly it's like they want to remodel their apartment. It's because it's like very not feng shui. Like nothing really makes sense. And so they want me to like because, you know, I'm an artist. I'm obviously an interior designer too. So, I think that's what they want. Okay, I'll gift a sub if someone guesses what the D in my username stands for. You told me, I'm pretty sure. Dicks. I'm gonna say design. B's got it? DJ. Ooh. Hello from Argentina. Nice jinx. Yo, thank you. Tommy Dessert. Yo, thank you. How are you? Yup, boobies. It's so